it, I would say China is facing a increasingly more challenging problem in restructuring its economy. It's understandable that the old model is running toward the end of the road, and you need a new model. But at this time, a lot of these new areas are simply not large enough to fully offset the weakness in, for example, property sector, which is a huge sector. So it is a painful period, and certainly if you think about the nature of youth unemployment, it's also not something cutting 10 basis points interest rate or doing more infrastructure project will easily address. So in that regard, you can understand why Premier Li Qiang is meeting with internet companies and trying to bolster confidence and internet sector is a big employer of college graduates. So they are trying to make progress, but this is not an easy task. In terms of whether this is going to be enough, how do you get consumer confidence? It is a difficult, very difficult situation. I do think there's a risk that if consumer confidence continue to deteriorate, and if a private entrepreneurs still struggling with sort of confidence and regulatory uncertainty, we could get into a bit of a negative loop of lack of confidence, therefore lack of investment and consumption, therefore worse performing economy and even worse confidence.